Test your English grammar. Present simple forms of to be. Am, is, are. Can you score 10 points out of 10? Post your score in the comments section. Let's get started. Are you a teacher? Yes, I am. Is your name Sam? Yes, it is. Are your children here? Yes, they are. Is this your suitcase? No, it isn't. Where are we? I think this is Oxford Street. Is it Saturday today? No, it's Sunday. Are your friends from the United Kingdom? No, they are from the United States. Hello, Maria. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. How old is Peter? I think he's 30 years old. Are David and Molly here? Yes, they are next to the door.